Hello, Release from City Hall. Just arrived here on my 80th day of the cycling journey. I'm very happy because finally I visited every single provinces in the Philippines. Yes, all 80 of them already visited. It feels so good to be finally visiting City Hall. So today, when I step foot on Siquijor province, I finished visiting every single of the 80 provinces in the Philippines, the 15 regions I went into. This is an amazing journey. I still have 20 days to go, and I don't know what's in store for that 20 days. This is the last stretch, and I will be chilling around here in Siquijor for 2 days and 2 nights. Um, Thank you so much for following the journey. I have lots of stories to tell you, and I don't know how I will be writing my book. So, thank you so much, and I love you all.